For this prep skill, we are converting 37 miles per hour into feet per second. So we're converting a rate in this case. Big help if you write it 37 miles per hour. So that's per 1 hour. So we have miles per hour. We want feet per second. So it means the miles units, the distance units, we want to convert those to feet, and the hours or the time units, we want to convert those to seconds. So we've got to use some good strategy here. We'll start with the fact that 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. And so again, we either know that information or look it up. And so we now have an ability to get rid of the mile units. If we use a conversion factor that has miles in the denominator, so that would be 1 mile in the denominator and 5,280 feet in the numerator, notice that's going to get rid of the miles units. And if we just stopped right here, our units would be feet per hour. But we want feet per second, so we keep going. So now we're going to, oops, wrong button with the pen. Now we're going to multiply by another conversion factor and hopefully get rid of those hour units. Now notice something. When we had the 37 miles per hour, the miles were in the numerator, and so we had to pick a conversion factor that had miles in the denominator. Well, now we have hours in the denominator, so we need hours in the numerator. And so when we look at the fact that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so this one we're going to have to do in 2 steps. We're going to start by using the 1 hour per 60 minutes, and what that has done is divided away the hours units. So notice I had to write the hours in the numerator here to cancel these hours here. And I used the evil cancel word, and make sure you understand that means divided away. So if we stop right here, that means feet per minute is what we would have left for units, but we want feet per hour. So we've got one more fact to use. We're going to multiply, and we want to get rid of the minutes. So pay attention to that. So we're going to write the minutes in the numerator now. So we've got the fact that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So we'll write 1 minute here, and that's 1 minute per 60 seconds. The seconds had to go in the denominator. And notice that's good, because if you had flipped it around, you would have had 2 minutes factors in the denominator. You had minutes times minutes. Those don't divide away. But with minutes in the bottom, minutes up here in the numerator, those divide away. And now, if you look carefully, our remaining units are feet per second, which is our goal. So if we multiply everything in the numerator, 37 times 5,280 times 1, we get 195,360. That is feet, and then that is divided by 1 times 1 times 60 times 60. That's 3,600 seconds. And if we go ahead and divide that out, and I mean divide 195,360 by 3,600, we get 54.27, and the units there are feet per second. And so what we've figured out is that 37 miles per hour is equal to 54.27 feet per second.